Hi there, my name is Chris Davis, and I am the founder and owner of First Note Music Supply, an online music store that provides starter packs and accessories to beginning band and orchestra students. Thanks for coming to my channel. The purpose of this video is to tell you what you can expect on this channel going forward and why you can trust me to give you advice on your beginning band and orchestra musician. So we're going to be answering all kinds of questions. Things like, how do I get an instrument? How does my child know what instrument to play? Should we rent or buy an instrument? Questions that you may have been thinking all along, but haven't really been able to get a firm answer to. So we're going to answer a lot of those questions on this channel. Let me give you a little bit of my background so you know where I'm coming from. I started my life as a band director a while ago back in North Carolina. Taught high school and middle school band. I am a trombone and euphonium player. Those are both low brass instruments, as well as a pianist. I spent about 5 years teaching in the public school, everything from beginners through high schoolers, did some marching band. And then I've spent the last 25 years in various roles in the music industry. I've worked for some large chain music stores that you may have heard of. I've worked for some smaller music stores, and I work for a manufacturer of musical instruments. And so all of these years, I've seen every angle of beginning band, everything from teaching beginning band to helping kids get their instruments to be in beginning band and orchestra. So I've been in the business for just about 30 years now. All told, I've done nothing but music my entire life. And at this point in my career, I think it's important to really, give back. And this is a way I can do that and answer a lot of those questions. There's lots of stuff out there for the players. You're a kid you can go to YouTube and search in how do I play clarinet, and you'll find 1,000 lessons and all sorts of teachers offering to give you lessons, and how do I play guitar, and there's a lot of stuff that's geared towards the students, not as much geared towards the parents. I'm a parent of 2 kids myself that have both played sports and been in band. So in addition to being in the industry, I've been in your shoes. I've gotten my kids through these programs as well. So I hope that you'll spend some time with us. We'll have new content coming out on a regular basis. Head over to our website, firstnotemusicsupply.com. And you can check out our product. You can also subscribe to our newsletter there, where you'll get notifications of these videos dropping. And hope we can answer some of the questions and allay some of the fears and doubts that you may have. Again, thanks for coming to the channel, and we hope to see you again soon.